Okay, YouTube, how y'all doing? Doing just great. It's a little bit rainy right now, and I'm at Tony's. The plan for today was actually working on EJ. I was getting ready actually to pull the engine out and to see what the damage is, and so EJ's right here. But how it's rainy and all, I have to reschedule with Tony for another day when it's a little bit sunnier and drier because we don't want to work on a wet ground. So we're gonna reschedule that and have to work on it another day. But we're not gonna let the day go to waste, and we are gonna try to do something what I have actually wanted to do a long time. Um, Dude, I'm kind of busy. Can't you wait? I'm gonna introduce you soon.
Again?
Again. Okay. So as you all know, Aria's clutch is slipping, and it was slipping a long time already. Yeah. Dano tried to fix it, but mission failed on that. So we came to the conclusion the pressure plate was the cause of the slippage. So instead of upgrading to a stage pressure plate, because those things are kind of expensive, no, I'm not gonna try to run the XTD or the POC eBay special pressure plates. If I had to upgrade to a pressure plate, to a clutch kit, I would rather do it the good way, the ACT comp clutch or something better like that. But I don't have the money for that, so I'm going to do the next best thing. Okay, not the next best thing, but for me, what it seems to be the next best thing is to experiment on two pressure plates, two OEM pressure plates, and we are going to try to from two to make it one. So, as you can see, we have already set one up, and the other one is right here. These are two stock pressure plates. The plan is to upgrade the diaphragms. We are going to remove one diaphragm and add it onto this diaphragm. So it will be just a dual diaphragm pressure plate. The TRD, the Toyotas with the TRD pressure plates come some with the dual diaphragm. The clutch will be much harder, and I think the grip force of it will also increase. So that's the plan. Um, this thing isn't actually documented, is it?
No idea, brother.
The plan of this is I did a lot of research but couldn't find the exact thing what I was looking for, but I did find it on a Malay site. The Malaysians guys, those dudes are really experimenting on things, and so that's the place where I found it, and I'm gonna try to redo the same thing and hope it goes well. So first thing is we have to remove the friction plate. Yeah, I think that's the real name of it. We have to remove the friction plate by these are the three, by it is being held on by three dowel pins, 1, 2, and 3. We grind this off, all three, and the disc just pops out. When grinding, guys, safety first. Goggles and nothing. Yeah, to.
This.
The dowel pins, 1, 2, nangadali dyan. Uno. Dos. Tres.
That was it, right?
Ay. Mabif. Popin puro home. Okay. Uno. Why you mad, bro? If I dislike to me, man, uli rosa na rin.
Yeah, man. Kare.
Coolie. Pop it out.
Yeah, well.
Oh, ano this? Holo ko dyan. Ay, nalog that. Ay, nawalok. Yabif open. Alok ya sani tapa friction plate. Oh, tapa sani. A diaphragm. Sorry for ay. Boy. Papalda sa amin, sabi wala rin. Mina, ano kasi no, chindo niya pa ni si Wel. Mina sa pala sa Boy, da puputa dadalag ba ka?
Till we pin them being this.
May kala ka bungan daro fa yung gadgem to. Oh, drop ko click ba ka? Nice.
Marami po this.
Yeah to. Wabif sani. Nakin puro persen puro minsa fa madabakadat bolt ng screw and bolt. So next stage is the diaphragm is locked by these locks. So it has to be opened to remove the ring. The same goes here for here, and remove the diaphragm, place it, and relock it again. So yeah, that will be interesting. Okay, so we got it out. We pried the locks and we got the ring out. This is the ring. It's a full body ring, so you can just pry it out. And this is the diaphragm. They sell these. They also sell these online, upgraded ones for more pressure, but those are expensive. And we are just gonna make two. Why buy another diaphragm when you just can add another one to increase the clamp force? So yeah. Okay, so we got a second one done. Let's remove the diaphragm. Hot. This is for the other one. Ooh, looks legit, bro. It will be going something like this. Something like this. And like that. So yeah. What do you think? Okay, so this is the product. Not the final product, but halfway there. Both pressure plates, both diaphragms are installed, as you can see. All lined up, all locked. We did the spring delete. Why do we do a spring delete? Weight savings. Every gram counts, every ounce counts.
This doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. Okay, it doesn't fit. Okay, right now we are gonna be installing the friction plate, and we were thinking of using bolts, but we don't have the right size for it. So what we are opting to do is reusing these press nuts, dowel pins. Yeah, my bad. These dowel pins, press nuts, whatever. We are gonna try to press it in again and weld that shit. And hope it holds. Pressed in like a G. It's gonna be epic, man.
Yeah, so this is double.
Yes,
Yeah.
double diaphragm. We press the old dowel pin in, and right now we are gonna weld it so it doesn't pop out. Oh man,
Lincoln.
this is gonna be epic.
Boy, oh, boy, you trong Thunder Kite.
Leg day in the Honda.
She wants to obese.
Ay, danke ulit, Tony. Thank you. Basta lang nadarmi ho. So, Dano also came by
Hi,
from work, hungry and tired. Lincoln Electric.
I think we should move this because it will become hot and it's not going to be refreshing anymore.
No, amay wag ka commit nito. I get what I thought. So we got a big fat ass weld over here. The final product. Is it hot? It's hot. So it looked like Tony was welding while he was closing his eyes. So nice weld, Tony. So yeah, guys, this is a final product. Installed, welded, everything. Ow, 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 hot. Kaya masarap kaya yun. Even just no man. Okay guys, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. This is not way past done yet because I will have to be installing it and checking how it will react and if it doesn't explode. If you guys are hesitant on trying it, don't try it because if something happens, I'm not liable for it. Yeah, hope you guys learned something from it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and see you till next time.